Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. Guys, let's just unpack now Senzo Meyiwa as a postponer, guys, to the 22nd of April. I'm just like, what is going on, guys? Hey, bo. And then at some stage, SAPC had problems with the sound. I was just like, oh, what's up with you? And NCAU right, I was just like, as in, I don't know, I'm be comparing people now, like how Urata is doing now. Thinking this is about him. This is not about him, guys, you know? And Urata keeps on saying he gave him Nisi almost 3 months. Guys, it says it's 2 months and 3 weeks. It was actually 2 months to be exact. So Umnisige is coming up with stories and I, guys, I just felt at first, you know? And then I learned to understand him more than Urata. I can see Urata doesn't get it. He's just like, please, you're wasting my time, you're wasting our time, you're wasting JP's time, and you want me to be in trouble with JP, like, you know? Umnisi is not ready, guys. He says he's not ready. After Urata says it's 60,000 pages, Umnisi keeps on saying which is 40,000. Even last time, so 40, Urata 60. I'm actually finished reading it. But this is not about you at the end of the day. Yeah. Umnisi Wemvula says he was supposed to run me 2 Oceans Marathon. He had to forfeit his entry because, I mean, he was busy reading, you know, studying this case. Yeah, accused number 1. And then Umnisi did mention Uguti, despite all his effort to put in a lot of work every day, it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. And also he's studying the case. And Urata feels good to know, even if you are studying the case, you know the case. No Mungama's accused number 1, but you have an idea of the fact that you used to ask him questions. Nis was like, please, Mina, I was concentrating on my accused number. I didn't really care about the accused number 1's case, although I have an idea of what is going on, but my attention was not there on accused number 1 as such, you know. Umnisi, guys, he was still explaining, you know, I didn't have time, Oceans Marathon. He didn't finish, guys. Urat, wamgena emlumini. Before he was finished explaining what you can phone my wife and my children. I've read 60,000 pages. What's hard when I in the what is hard when I gave you so much time? And you didn't even want the time. I had to extend it to 2 months. Manje you come gane door. Although Rasa 2 months and 3 weeks, I don't remember that 2 months anyways. Inkosikazi nengane ngenaphi ukuthi you can ask them ukuthi I was reading and I'm actually finished with 60,000 pages. Please, we're not the same people, guys. And Urata has made this about him, especially today, like he always does with the defense. No, he wasn't gonna be like that. You know, Umnisi wasn't even given a chance to explain himself or led Besebem. So basically, guys, Umnisi did explain, you know what, I'm actually not ready. And Umnisi was explaining, you know what, to analyze, know his dabas from these 40,000 pages, right? So that every time when he talks in court, he refers to the stuff that he saw there. So manje, if it's gonna be rushed, how is that helping us, Tines Bugel? It's not helping us. Tina, we don't want Umnisi to be rushed like this. And how Uratana was speaking about Umnisi in court, I didn't like that. And before I forget, uqale ngomshololo wathi umshololo uphi in you can't double book yourself in it's not allowed. Yakhumbula ukuthi uRepresentative Mshololo is busy with another case kaSisi lo wangapha koBrett lo ontshontshe imali njengo Rosemary wabulala ama relatives akhe uyi-insurance deleter umela lo muntu manje. So I'm sure she's busy with those things, trying maybe to consult with the lady. The case is actually was postponed for the 23rd of June, le case kaMshololo. So Mshololo unama case awu-2 manje, in a way, you understand that she must, you know, she must go between those cases. And then Urata feels like uyangijwayela loyo, where is she? Ukuyibona leyo nto. And Umnisi, guys, did explain it will feel like it's injustice on Muzika Khulelwa Sibiya to be rushed like this or rush things. Ukuyibona leyo nto. And Urata doesn't even see that. Like Lalela, I'm better than you. I have more experience and I've read the same pages. But guys, you're not going to be doing the same thing as Umnis. You can't be Umnis. You are yourself. Can you please remain that person? Umnis akafunda ukufana now. And it's fine, guys. In the boat manje, you are trashing him in front of his colleagues and in front of the state. I don't think that's right. I was just like, hey, guys, is George Baloyi repenting? What's going on? Uwamela Umnisi. What, you know, Umnisi actually has invested a lot of his time in these documentations that he's been reading, and he's been speaking to me. He's been requesting transcripts from time to time. So most deaf, he's hard at work. Ngathi, ho, uBaloyi amele Umnisi. Ngeke any uBaloyi uvale ngokuthi, actually, my lord, can we not rush this thing? In a way, can we just leave it? Because we can't rush him at the end of the day. If Umnisi says he is not ready, there's nothing we can do about it. And there's nothing they can do about it. That's just what was crazy. And effort to that, but I mean, how is it going to help you? So I mean, guys, all I wanted to say, guys, we can't rush things, just because Urata is afraid of JP and then told us about Section 35 saying that people can't abuse the system, citing a fair trial, meaning the defense is slow. How Urata Useti, I gave you 2 months and 3 weeks, which is not true, guys. That's not how much he was given. Who advocates in this? Why would you say that? Urata at times for me is just a lot and unnecessarily in some cases. And how he was just going on telling us about 50 years experience and comparing himself to Umnisi, it's uncalled for. There's no need for that. And making him feel small. No. As Manje Urata came off as a personality, Lalelu slow. I could have done this better. I've defended a lot of people in my life. He's told that to the court so many times. I've defended ANC, NPAC, big cases, police officers, high-ranking police officers. I could have done this better than you, bruh. Oh, you know this way. And it stop making defense feel small. It will never work with your 50 years experience. That's not the case right now. That's not the point for Njengamanje. Umnisi was very calm about this whole situation. Benga Funungula no Rasa kept on poking and pushing until was Umnisi actually, in fact, hey, I'm not gonna be representing accused number. What's I'm not gonna be representing him. What's postponement? In fact, this postponement next week Tuesday on the 22nd. You know what he didn't even look at Umnisi. He didn't even speak to Umnisi. There was a stage where he said Umnisi was upset. He was like, please sit down. When Umnisi said, I'm not going to represent accused number 1 then. Yazi usura sazanga zamuthi uvele wabeka idate nge 22nd wathi we coming back. Umnisi overlenje ngokuthi, my lord, therefore I ask for further postponement. That was the end of Umnisi. Umnisi was like, bye, I'm done. You need to say your things as Namatheli. I don't care. This is how Umnisi was feeling. No, he didn't really care. Umnisi, he was serious about this thing of reading into zakhe until he said rasho umuntu. Although it was like a blow on us, you know, because we needed to report about this before Easter Spawn, which is no direction in we feel like us na direction, but at the same time I support Umnisi fully because vele mina isa idlami ngiyalazi. Yazazi ngimephi mina. Give me any defense to go on with this case until the end of time. I mean, that's just my thing. He went on to say, you've been on this trial forever. You started Shifua Maumela. A predecessor yam. Unamanje usagule case, but you still don't understand all these accused. Ushula injo kumele accused number 1 and go on with it. No, guys, that's you. That's you, Rat. I mean, that's not me. If Buzo was fund 60,000 pages, that's your thing. It has nothing to do with me. And Umnisi didn't back down. He was just like, I don't care. And I see us having a problem on the 22nd. Umnisi is going to be like, bruh, I'm not done. So what must happen? Rata was like, what is your problem, guys? Accused number 1 and accused number 3, how are they different? You understand? And you must treat them the same. You have to treat them as such. Like, why are you making them different? But they are different, guys. Their stories are not the same. How you Rata, guys? Umnisi did actually answer Rata and said, I might have listened to evidence of the other accused, but my concern and attention was on accused number 3, which is true. Uyazizwa vele izinto eshiwo and wawumuzwa mhlawumbe nomngoma ezulu and stuff like that. You have an idea. But your concern and your attention wasn't there. You were busy when I knew accused number 3. Nebhamu zakhe abathi NL isibhamu sakhe infected sona sabulala usenzo infect yena wayephethe isibhamu inside the house. Really, guys? It's like, wow. Mina, guys, I don't know what your take on this. Please comment. But my thing is that we cannot rush things, guys. Siphuma kude nale case sihlukumezekile already. And then Uratha continues with defense. How now you are speaking in court? There was no need for that. It's childish. You could have just done that and uncalled for. You could have just done that in your chambers. Like, what are you saying now? What do you mean? You could have told us some things in court. Is that even allowed? That's not allowed. Look, I mean, Urata guys went on to say, and then there's nothing mysterious about deletion. There's nothing mysterious. And he told us about these people that he used to defend them. Remember, I said, guys, how is this Mrs. problem? Please explain. Like I'm saying, Urata likes making things about him and his 50 years experience, and this was not the time. Yeah, Mina, I'm seen as lenient, and I enjoy this case. I'm telling you, this is how we are speaking. Urata. Rata went on to say, Mina, I'm very surprised the experienced advocates like you, Mnisi, can read 40,000 pages. 40 man, what's 60 earlier on? 40,000 pages in such a long time. What's going on? And then, Mina, for me, this is my final postponement. I was like, wow. The Swenigo Mnisi was like, can I be excused? I didn't expect that he got from Mnisi. Mnisi was like, vouching for accused number 1. I found that a bit off, the thing. Yeah, but I think no brothers. Alright. He was fuming, okay. For no, actually, no, guys. That's no. I'm lenient in guys, case is next to Tuesday. I don't know what you think about this, but at the same time it came out again like I can understand it's his way every time I get it. It's a judge, and like I said before, principal for them, but there's a certain way you can address this, guys. And ufila ukuthi akanendaba actually bigger than i-defense ngoba ngizoyengime lapho kancane guys sizobe sihlaziye le ndaba le on what's the tea again. Thank you so much guys for always supporting me. Nginthanda over guys.